Hi guys, I'm Abhiram and I'm currently pursuing my master's in advanced computer science in University of Leicester. The main reason that I am recording this presentation is because I just want you guys to know my recent project, which is ModNet. I want you guys to know about my thought process behind making this project. So for that, let's deep dive into the problems that I have seen many people, including myself, facing. The common problems. So basically, whenever freshers arrive into the university, uh, most of them do not have much of network in the university. So that's why they call freshers, right? Yeah. So with in that scenario, whenever I get a doubt or whenever I just want something to get clarified, I literally have no one to just go to and ask about it. I mean, obviously, I'll have few, but what if they don't know, right? It's basically you either talk with the people that you know personally or talk with the professors or the teachers that you have assigned through the emails, right? But other than this, you can't actually have any type of, you know, any form of communication actually in this university. So that's one problem. And the next problem is the less academic exposure. Yeah. Basically, whenever me personally entering to into masters, I do not have any idea about how the my masters is gonna complete. Like I don't know what type of assignments, how I should be doing assignments, and how they will be getting assessed. I literally have no idea about it. And the main problem most of the people might face, might not face, is that in order to communicate, you just have to give away your social contacts or phone contacts, right? So if I go into a class and if I make friends, then I should be giving my mobile, sharing the contacts in order to keep in touch. Uh, so that my query might get clarified later whenever we talk online, right? That might be a case of communication, or the other type of communication might be physical, one-on-one. Whenever we meet, we talk, and if I remember the query that I got, I ask him, and if he knows, he might resolve it, but if he doesn't, then it still will be a query, right? So that communication might not work in most of the scenarios. And the last thing is a better means of communication for students who are enrolled in a one particular course and who got into the same modules like many others. So there is a lack of a communication channel or platform where students can discuss about academic issues or any academic queries with the other students without giving away their social contacts. So, by joining all these problems, I just made one solution, which is ModNet. So, ModNet is basically channel-based communication platform for university students only, because you have to enter your university username in order to get logged in into the ModNet. So you can't actually uh, force yourself into the app without having a university username, and user will be logged in with their university username. And whenever a user for the first time logs in, he has to select the course that he actually selected in the real world. He have to select the course and the modules related to the course that he opted, and then he'll be just redirected to the home page of the chat where he can see all the module chats that he only selected. He can't actually see the other modules chats. So to maintain the privacy and integrity of the modules, and yeah, and students also can access to public channels, let's say accommodations or part times or etc., where students discuss about the general stuff. The main working is that every channel is context based rather than general chat. So if I make a WhatsApp group of every student in the class, then people might talk about a few people might talk about something, few might talk about the other. So there is nothing called context in WhatsApp general chats. So the main motive is to maintain academic context for ModNet, and there are private channels for clubs as well, where clubs can actually maintain a channel for the members in the club. User can't actually manually join them, but whenever user purchases a membership, the club makes the user join the chat. So there are private chats, public chats, and module chats. So whenever I personally get any query, I'll go, if I, let's say I got query regarding module one. So I'll just go directly into the module one, and I can type it in there, and I can, when I enter it, all the students who enrolled in those module in that particular module can see the message. And let's say 100 people are in the chat, right, channel module 1. What if one or two out of 100 might know the solution for my query, and they might, you know, text me back in the same chat and try to resolve my query according to, the query that I have. So this is the main solution of the problems that we discussed earlier. And I want to show you the implementation, but let's first talk about the working, how I made it. I used React.js to make a web application, but later I figured out that most of the students prefer an mobile application rather than going into the Chrome and opening a chat communication website, right? So it's not user friendly to have a web application based chat communication. So what I did is, as I have already made a web application, what I did is I just converted it into a PWA, progressive web application, for mobile devices. So whenever, if a user wants to access the communication app in their mobiles, they can directly add that to their home screen, add the website to the home screen, and it just completely looks like a mobile application. So it looks like a mobile application, but it doesn't work like so. Yeah. Implemented backend using Supabase. So Supabase is a cloud platform which provides services, built-in services like database, storages, authentication, real-time communication, etc. It's a very good cloud-based, backend service. So I used it to implement all these functionalities, and these ModNet has basic chat features like replies, file sharings, custom PFPs, and etc. etc. I just want to discuss about the future scope of this model. The main future that I am actually focusing on right now is, for the next version, is AI moderation, so that every chat is relevant to the same context of those modules. I want to implement the AI moderation for the next version. Uh, I as a PWA, it actually do not have any access to the Android or iOS operating systems, so it cannot actually generate physical notification. I mean, in real life notifications. So for that, I am thinking to shift to a mobile application, so that it can exactly work like a massive chat communication platform like WhatsApp or Telegram, having real time notifications and chats. It would be so great. So I'm going to show you how it actually works, how it actually looks. Just a second. Installation of ModNet. Here it is. This is what it looks like in mobile. So this is ModNet. Get started. You need to enter your username as per your university and click on send OTP. OTP will be sent to your university email. You just have to check your email. Yep, I got it. Copy this OTP and paste it here. You can also resend your OTP if you actually did not get any. verify. Yes, so you are the first time user, so you need to select the course. Advanced Computer Science. These are the modules that I am actually studying. Technology management and what else? Personal group skills. Yeah. So you need to select four. Click on submit. Your modules will be selected and you will be directly added into the channel. Look. Yeah. And so this is the home page. This is what it looks like. I'm going to show you the account page. You can choose any of the DPs, the profile pictures that you want. I'm going to go with Ben. Yeah, because it's my favorite. And you can also review us if you have anything. Um, Coming back to discover page. These are the other chats that I was talking about, public channels. You can join in accommodations, events, part times. I want accommodations, so I join there. And if I want to leave, I can exit. Uh, Coming to the home, these are the modules, right? So I can see how many students are online other than me, nobody, because it's still in the development phase. Software measurement and quality. Oh, I was testing, so that's me. I can type anything. Hello, user. Send. If I want, I can share any content, files. Here is the logo for ModNet. Send, and I can send files from here. If I want to reply, I can reply. Yo, WhatsApp. I'm sorry, not WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Send. Yep. Same thing here. Accommodations. Oh, I was testing again. Yeah, you can do the same thing. Uh, yeah. So this is what a normal page for students looks like. They can have chats here, view, and you can just log out. But for admin, which is me actually, I have another page so that I can manage all the channels and all that. So when I click on sign in as admin, I need to enter my email ID and a secret code that I'm not going to share with you guys because it's only for admins. And I need to verify. Yep, I'm in the admin board. And admin would be better if I switch it to desktop. Oh, where am I? Here. Yes. So this is what admin dashboard looks like. I have all the channels. I can add channels, the descriptions, private channel, and I can do this. I can know the members in the channels, the courses that I currently have, the modules, all the modules linked to the course, and the profile images. So if you have any recommendations, you can suggest to me. I can, make the personal, make your favorite PFP for you guys available for you guys. So if I want, I can still, make this as unavailable for the users. No, that's kind of cool. So this is the dashboard. I can make any changes from here, and it will directly be changed in for the students too. So this is what ModNet is, and I want the main reason that I'm doing this is to get into the attention of university so that I can help. Oh, I can provide my help for the university to enhance the communications for students. Thank you. See you later in the next project, maybe in a week or two. Bye.